Updating your legal name on TurboTax is essential for ensuring your tax information is accurate. Follow these steps to quickly make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your TurboTax account. Access your TurboTax account by visiting the TurboTax website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with your previous name. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This area contains personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Step 3. Update your name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Save changes. After updating your name, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm the modifications. Step 5. Verify your changes. Log out and log back into your TurboTax account to verify that your name has been updated correctly. This step ensures that all your information is accurate before filing your taxes. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on TurboTax. Keeping your information current is important for a smooth tax filing experience.